2012 Maxima, air conditioning inop. So if you come right over here to the IPDM, you'll find a white and a red wire right next to each other. The white wire is the signal going to the AC compressor. That test light is confirming that I have a turn on signal to the AC compressor, but if you look at the compressor, you'll see that the compressor is not turning on. So that's a quick way to confirm that you have enough Freon in your system and that you at least have the signal, the turn on signal going to the compressor, because that wire goes straight to the compressor, and when I turn the AC signal off, that light will go out. So let's turn the air conditioning off. But you can see my light is out. So that's a quick preliminary check. As long as the wiring is good from the IPDM to the compressor, then you should be good to go. But the compressor is kind of difficult to get to, so you can check power at the compressor. That's just a preliminary quick check right there to get you in the right direction, give you justification for going over there and testing at the compressor.